Hello students, in last week we produced a video on mole concept. Today I am going to elaborate some of the questions of NCERT exercise and NCERT in text. First, on the basis of deriving mass of given number of moles of given substance. In first question, find the mass of 0.5 mole N2 gas. Students, it is known to you, if there is given N2 gas, then the molar mass is atomic mass of nitrogen expressed in gram into 2, because the atomic mass of nitrogen atom is 14 gram, and when we are talking about N2 gas, then there is 2 nitrogen present, and for this multiply 2 into 14 gram, that is molar mass of N atoms. So for N2 gas, molar mass is 28 gram. Now from formula, number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass is equal to not given, and number of moles is 0.5. So given mass or mass that should be determined by 28, that is molar mass of N2. Now mass required for 0.5 mole of N2 gas is 28 into 0.5, that is equal to 14 gram. Now another questions also given in the same basis. Now second important question of exercise of mole atoms and molecule based on mole concept. Find the 20 gram of water into number of moles. That means convert 20 gram of water into number of moles. Now from formula, number of moles is equal to given mass 20 gram divided by 18 gram, that is molar mass of water. How we find molar mass of water? The mass for H2 is 2 into 1 gram, and molar mass of oxygen atom is 16 gram. So 16 plus 2, 18 gram is molar mass of water. Now when we divide in 20 by 18 or in 10 by 9, then we get 1.1 mole. Now another important question of exercise, question number 10 of exercise. Calculate the number of molecules of sulfur S8. This is the formula of sulfur molecule. S8. This is the formula of sulfur molecule. Now find the number of molecules present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. Its molecular formula is S8. So its molar mass is 8 into molar mass of S atom. 8 into, because in one molecule of sulfur, 8 atoms of sulfur are present. In one molecule of sulfur, 8 atoms of sulfur are present. So molar mass of one molecule of S8 is equal to 8 into 32 gram. Okay, 8 into 32 gram, that is equal to 8 2 ja 16 and 8 3 ja 24, 256 gram. Now here we have to find out the number of molecules. For the number of molecules, we know that in 1 mole there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. So first of all, we have to find the number of moles of F8 in its 16 gram is equal to given mass 16 gram, molar mass 256 gram. Gram gram cancel, 16 1 ja 16 and 16 6 ja 96, 1 by 16. Then there is important formula. If there is number of moles given, then number of particles. Here in particles we have to find out molecules. Number of molecules present in 1 by 16 mole of acid is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. 23. Now we divide by 16 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and we can obtain the value. Now here we can change 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 by deleting 30. We can delete this decimal and we write 6022 into 10 to the power 20 by 16. Here the decimal, the place of decimal after 3 digits. So we can use the 30 for deleting the decimal place, and answer is 16 3 ja. Now number of molecules present in 1 by 16 mole of S8 is equal to number of moles 1 by 16 into Avogadro number, and here we remove the decimal by obtaining 30 from 10 to the power 23. So we write here 10 to the power 23. Now divide from 16 we get 16 1 ja, 16 2 ja, 16 3 ja. Now 16 6 ja 96. So here 122 is present. So 16 7 ja, 16 7 ja, and now 16 6 ja, and into 10 to the now decimal place and 10 to the power 20, and to remove decimal from here and put in scientific notation, we can write 3.76 into 10 to the power 22. If we have to replace decimal 2 digit left, then we have to increase 2 0 here. So we write here 376 point is converted into 3.76 into 10 to the power 22. Now another one question is very important, 11. Here also calculate the number of aluminum ion present in 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide. Here I am describing here only in question number 11 of Ncert from exercise, mass of aluminum oxide Al2O3 is given 0.051 gram. Now molar mass of aluminum oxide, you know well, molar mass of Al2O3, 2 atoms of aluminum and we know that molar mass of aluminium is 27 grams. So for 2 atoms of aluminium, we write here 2 into 27 gram plus for 3 atom of oxygen, molar mass is 3 into 48 gram. That is equal to, when we add, we get 102 gram. Now we obtain the number of moles of aluminum oxide in 0.51 gram. Number of moles is equal to 0.051 gram by 102 gram. Now this is the number of moles of aluminum oxide present in 0.051 gram of Al2O3. But it is also obvious in 1 mole of Al2O3, what number of aluminum ions? 2. 2 aluminum ions. The number of aluminum ions is 2. Because we know that Al2O3, when breaks into iron, it gives here 2 mole of aluminum ion and 3 mole of oxygen ion. 3 mole of oxygen ion and 3 mole of oxygen ion. So, in 1 mole of aluminum oxide, we have 2 mole of aluminum ions. So, in the number of given moles, 0.051 gram by 102 gram cancel. So, number of aluminum ions, for obtaining number of aluminum ions, we multiply here from first of all, in 1 mole there is 2 aluminum ions. So, in given number of moles, we have 0.051 by 102 into 2 and then multiply by Avogadro number. Now students, try to solve it. If you will not success, then I will solve in another video, and also many important questions based on mole in another video. Okay. Now students, if this video including last video on mole, if these two videos conducive to solve the questions based on mole, then please like, share this video and subscribe the channel. Okay.